So guys, today I'm gonna share with you all my recipe for a white chocolate barfi. This barfi is made with white chocolate and no phag. So I can't wait for you all to see how it's made because you all are absolutely going to love it. So to make this white chocolate barfi, we're gonna start with a double boiler. Now I have a pot with some water and I'm placing a glass bowl over it. All you have to do is add in your chocolate. Now these are melting wafers and I will leave the link for it down in the description box. It's also available on my Amazon store and it's available at Walmart. So 2 packs of these, and we're going to allow this to melt. Once it melts, so you guys see how it's melting really nicely. We want to make sure it's properly melted before we add in any of the other ingredients. Okay, now that the chocolate is properly melted, we're going to go in with the rest of the ingredients. I'm going to go in with 2 tablespoons of media cream or table cream, and this is the cream that we use for barfi. I'm going to go in with 1 tablespoon of ginger juice, and I'm using the juice so we don't get any of those pieces of ginger when we bite into this. I'm going to go in with elaichi powder or cardamom powder. Just gonna give it a mix. I'm not done adding. I just want to mix it and see if I need any more elaichi. Okay, that looks good. Now I'm going to go in with the powdered milk and mix that in. And it's starting to already come together, so we're just gonna have to move really quickly. And mix. Now to this, I'm just going to go in with a little bit of ghee, just a little bit, not too much, and mix that in. See how fast it pulls together? Really fast. So once the ghee is mixed in, we're going to empty this into our lined tray. Let me just show you guys the consistency of it. It's like a soft dough. So I'm just gonna turn this out into my greased and lined baking tray. Next, you just wanna spread this out evenly and press down. Once you have it evenly distributed, you're going to press down to smoothen it out. All I need to do now while it's still hot is to go in with the sprinkles or the thousands, and it will adhere to it because of that ghee that we put in there. Perfect. Now all we have to do is allow this to cool down and set before we can cut it into smaller squares. So the white chocolate barfi has set. It's set up so quickly, so nice. And all we have to do now is go ahead and cut it into squares. And you can cut this as big or as small as you like, of course. Hope you guys enjoyed this recipe, guys. It's so delicious. I want to break into one so you all can see the consistency of it. Now it's a little bit crumbly. Once you break into it, it's a little bit crumbly, but it's like melt in your mouth consistency. When your guests taste this and it melts in their mouth, they're gonna want to know what you put in there or how you made this, because it's gonna taste like a barfi, but just extra decadent. So if you guys make this, let me know what you think. It's really delicious and everyone that has tasted it so far loves it. So leave me your comments down below and I can't wait to hear from you all. Bye.